In this video, we are going to draw an inscribing square in a circle of a given radius of 50 millimeters. Alright, so this particular question is very similar to inscribing an equilateral triangle in a given circle. Alright, so first thing first we're going to do is draw our circle. So we're going to go to the circle tool, center radius, and then draw a circle, 50, and go to the construction line. On this one, we are going to draw our diameters. So we know our diameters are a line drawn from one point of the circumference to the other point, passing through the center. And now we are going to label them. A, B, C, D. Right. Now we are going to connect the points A to B to C to D, and then back to A. A to B, A to C, A to D, and then D to A. Lovely. So this is it. We have our inscribing square in a circle of a given radius.